Welcome to DevKit Weekly. This week we'll be reviewing the NXP EdgeReady MCU-based Solution for Alexa voice service. To start, this kit is intended to be an edge-based solution with the core purpose of integrating Amazon's Alexa voice service for the AWS IoT core, which leverages the i.MXRT crossover MCU, which is designed with ARM's Cortex-M7 core. This allows developers to easily add Alexa voice assistant capabilities to their IoT products. The small form factor hardware design is 100% integrated with Amazon qualified software. Aside from the kit's incredible ability to connect with Amazon services, it hosts a range of other features that include everything from audio to security capabilities, and you can thank most of that to the i.MXRT MCU. The board hosts a Class D amplifier and it operates from a 10-volt input. It's super efficient and it produces very little noise, and on top of that, it has a peak efficiency of 91% at 600 milliwatts. The solution offers 5-volt USB Type-C, which acts as a single power supply. And staying on the topic of power, the kit has a DC to DC converter. It has an LDO in addition to the temperature monitor, which, you guessed it, helps with temperature control. The kit also has a considerable amount of storage, both internally and externally. Externally, it allows for 32 megabytes of hyperflash, while internally, it can hold 1 megabyte of on-chip SRAM. It's also important to note that the kit holds a number of popular software security features, and as you may have guessed, because the kit works directly with the AWS IoT core, it comes equipped with multiple connectivity types. It features both Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy, and it also has an 802.11bg and N for Wi-Fi connection. If you want one of these kits for yourself, you can buy one directly from DigiKey for $139.69, or thanks to DigiKey, you can enter this week's raffle and try to win one of 4 that we're giving away for free. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week on DevKit Weekly.